and everyone watching this video. So in this video today I'm going to share my English project. So as you can see here the topic is written. It is about Sarojini Naidu and her lifestyle and biography. Life story and biography. So now let's begin. Sarojini Naidu or Sarojini Chattopadhyay was a great freedom fighter and poet of India. She was born on 13 Feb 1879. She was born in a she was born in a Bengali family in Hyderabad. Naidu was educated in Madras, London, and Cambridge. Following her time in England, where she worked as a suffragist, she was drawn to Indian National Congress movement for Indian independence from British rule. Earlier, she earlier she was studying in Earlier she was studying in Cambridge and out of India in Cambridge and London. But when she came India, then she was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and she she joined Indian National Congress for the independence of India from British rule. Now let's see how she became a part of Indian nationalist movement and became a follower of Mahatma Gandhi and idea of Swaraj. She was very inspired by the motto of Mahatma Gandhi, which was Swaraj and Ahimsa. She was appointed as the president of Indian National Congress in 1925. Afterwards, she was appointed as the president of Indian National Congress in 1925. Here are a few images of her. This is her. This is her image where a thought is given with her image. Now here we are going to know about some of her achievements. So all of her achievements of her life. She has so we'll start with the age of 16. She received a scholarship at the age of 16. Her first collection of poem was The Golden Threeshell, revered as the Nightingale of India. She was referred as the Nightingale of India, the first woman governor of state in India. She was the first woman governor of state in established Women Indian Association. She has also established Women Indian Association. And her nickname, which was given by Mahatma Gandhi to her, was Mickey Mouse. As Mahatma Gandhi called her Mickey Mouse, the first Indian woman president of INC. She was the first Indian woman president of INC. Awarded a colonial Kaisar I Hind medal. She was also awarded a medal which was named as Kesari Hind. No, let's see. Here it is her image with her sister and daughter. You can see. See this. This is her image of her book Wandering Singers. Here we are going to know why she was called Nightingale of India. She was called Nightingale of India due to her melodious voice and rhythmic poems. Some of her poems are as follows: Wandering Traders, Palki Bearers, Golden Threshold, Death and Spring, and many more. 19. So now we will know all her literary works. So her first literary work was the book collection, which was of Golden Threshold. After that, she had a book collection in 1912, The Bird of Time, which included the songs of related to life, death, and spring. It was published in London. And after it, she has written in 1916 a book with Muhammad Jinnah, an ambassador of unity. After it, in 1975, she has written The Broken Wing, which also included a song of love, death, and spring. After she written in 1943 Sceptred Flute, the songs of India. In this, all the songs related to India were collected. It was a collection of Indian songs. After that, in 1961, she has written The Feather of Dawn, and in 1971, she has written Indian Weavers. Now we will. Now I'm going to end my presentation with the last view of her. Sadly, she died on 2nd March 1945 in Lucknow. This is her image with her husband, and this is her image while Dandi March with all the followers of Gandhiji who joined the Dandi March. So thank you, and now I would like to end my presentation.